Zhongshan Xinhui Electronics Co Limited was established in 1990, located in the Xiaolan Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. Specializing in the production of wireless electronic doorbells, remote control switches, chargers, LED panel light, downlights. The company has always adhered to technological innovation, strive for excellence, customer-centric strategic thinking, highlighting sincere win-win. The company has export rights and independent research and development. In the past 30 years, the products have been sold to Europe, South America, the Middle East, and Asia. A professional foreign trade team to provide you with professional products. The company has an independent R&D and innovation department, and the R&D personnel are united upward. The courage to fight and willing to contribute. Now it has 68 product patents. The factory covers an area of 5,000 square meters, has more than 150 employees, and an excellent management team. It adheres to the work policy of one-time achievement, exquisite craftsmanship and appearance, and first-class quality, which greatly enhances its competitiveness. The monthly production value of the workshop reaches $1 million. Zhongshan Xinhui Electronics Co Limited sells well at home and abroad. The company participates in the last 5 large-scale international lighting exhibitions and electronics exhibitions every year. The products have passed the CE, RED, LVD, EMC, ROSE, and other international certifications. And the products are exported to more than 30 countries, including Russia, Poland, the United Kingdom, Mexico, Malaysia, and the United Arab Emirates. Communication starts from the heart. Cooperation based on sincere oriented. We serve our customers sincerely with superb professional ability and strive to bring the greatest benefits to our customers. Our products as follow: wireless digital doorbell, wireless kinetic doorbell, sensor doorbell, wired mechanical doorbell, remote control switch, small night light, LED panel light, LED downlight,